Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have Access ready. Open it and create a new desktop database in the folder you prepped. Once done, name the file and pick a sensible suffix so you can find it quickly. Make sure Trust Center settings allow the features you need, otherwise Forms or VBA will block. You're starting with a clean schema. Plan tables now, not later, and sketch field names. This first step prevents rework and speeds the import and table creation that follow. You'll design tables next. Create each table with clear primary keys and appropriate data types because correct types prevent validation headaches later. Once tables exist, open the Relationships window and drag to link keys so referential integrity enforces consistent data. Then build queries to test joins and to validate normalization. If a query shows duplicated data, split the table. Make sure to set indexes on look. You'll finish by creating user forms and reports. Design forms with required fields, set tab order, and add validation so users enter clean data. Once forms work, build parameter queries and reports for summaries. Group and add calculated controls for totals. Compact and repair the database before deployment and make a scheduled backup. If something breaks, check the error in the immediate window or disable recent macros. A compact/repair often resolves corruption. Finally, test full workflows to confirm.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.